So, kung gusto mo na magtrabaho sa bahay, naghahanap ka sana nung pwedeng non-voice, tapos flexible yung schedule or parang project-based. But at the same time, gusto mong malaman ano yung hard skill na very in-demand ngayon na magandang aralin, I highly recommend pag-aralan mo ang video editing. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy-to-follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Everyday nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos so pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Bakit nga ba mabenta at in-demand ang video editing? Hindi ko alam kung napapansin nyo, pero mas madalas na pinapakita ngayon sa feed natin, sa Facebook or Instagram, ay yung mga videos. At the same time, ang TikTok nagna-number 1 na siya na platform. Hindi lang bastang platform, nagiging search engine na siya. So meaning kapag may gusto tayong malaman, halimbawa gusto nating pumunta ng province ng Quezon. Anong magandang puntahan sa Quezon? Ma-type nga sa TikTok yung mga videos ng Quezon province. Or kung wari gusto mong pumunta ng Cebu. First time mong bibisita ng Cebu. Ano yung mga activities na meron sa Cebu? Alam mo may nakita akong video sa TikTok. That is because yung mga platforms ngayon, pinaprioritize na nila yung short form videos. Palong-palo ang short form videos ngayon. Dahil dyan, ang daming nag-hire ng video editor kasi gusto nilang maglagay ng mga ganitong videos sa mga social media accounts nila. So kung feeling mo palong-palo na yung social media manager at marketing, imagine kung gaano pang mas in-demand ngayon ng video editors. Learning video editing offers so many benefits as a freelancer. Nagkakaroon ka ng diversity when it comes to skill set. Learning video editing allows freelancers to expand their skill set and offer a broader range of service to their clients. It opens a lot of opportunities in various fields such as content creation, marketing, advertising, e-learning, and social media management. There's an increase in demand sa mga video editors kasi video has become a powerful medium for communication and marketing. So kung may gusto kang iparating na mensahe bilang business owner sa audience mo or prospects mo or leads mo, the best way to do that would be by sending them videos. Ang dami ngayong naghahanap ng mga creatives that can make engaging video contents. By learning video editing, you get to tap into this growing demand and attract more clients. So, hindi ka lang pang pamilya, pang sports, pa ganon. Video editors have higher earning potential. Video editing is considered a specialization and it's considered valuable sa business. So, if you're a freelancer and you wanna work as a general virtual assistant, adding or parang padding it with an experience sa video editing can make you charge more. Apart from that, I think bilang tao, ang pinakang malaking naging epekto sa akin nito, knowing na medyo may slight akong experience sa pag-i-edit ng videos, sarili ko or for my clients, is that I'm able to express my creativity. You get to bring your artistic vision to life through videos. And yun din yung nakikitang potential ng mga clients kapag ka marunong mag-edit ng videos. Some other things that I like about knowing how to edit videos is that you have the control over the entire production process. Again, it's flexible, remote, and there are a lot of collaborative opportunities locally and internationally. Siyempre, napuputo lang ating paggawa ng video. Overall, learning video editing can be a valuable asset for all freelancers. It will provide you competitive edge. It will expand your service offerings. It will definitely unlock new opportunities, lalong-lalo na in this ever-growing content creation industry. Anyway, if you guys are interested to learn more about video editing, we have a class na may internship. Alam niyo yan! So, may class kami na may internship. So, one-day class lang siya from 1 till 9 p.m. And then, yung internship niya ay 2 weeks. You guys will handle local and international clients video editing. Kukuha rin ako dito ng interns ko. If you guys are interested to enroll, click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, i-click nyo lang to. Kung nasa Facebook naman kayo, i-check nyo na lang yung caption. At kung nasa YouTube kayo, description box lang tayo. You will then be taken to this page. Makikita nyo dyan, video editing. 799 pa yung nakasulat sa screenshot ko. Pero 999 na siya ngayon. Again, one-day class, live class yung recording. You guys will get a copy of the recording. You'll get the, ipoprovide na rin ni JV yung gagamitin nyo na app for the editing. And then you'd also get 2 weeks of internship. So magkakaroon kayo ng pwede nyong ilagay sa portfolio ninyo. At pagkatapos nun, magkakaroon pa kayo ng mga practice sessions after that. Tuturuan na rin namin kayo kung paano mag-apply via the application book session. May final activity. Pagkasabi ko ng final activity, you guys will have a one-on-one with me. And as always, we will have everything under one classroom so hindi kayo maliligaw. July 8 yung next class nito, but guys, nililimit namin yung number of enrollees for this particular class kasi it really does take time. Isa-isa kayo halos na i-assist na makapag-download ng app, nung pinakang gagamitin ninyo sa pag-i-edit. Lahat pag-aaralan nyo about the basics of video editing. Up until siguro kung kaya pa nung session nyo, hanggang sa advanced pag-aaralan nyo na. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!